800 votes casted. Here are the winners of Events 2 Images presents our pre-arrival favorites for Misters 2015. So our second runner-up is from the Visayas region, representing the province of Bohol. Ladies and gentlemen, Events 2 Images presents pre-arrival choice second runner-up, A.R. Gilasorna. May we call on Ms. Tess or Mr. Janner to present the trophy for our second runner-up for pre-arrival favorites. Thank you very much to our second runner-up, Mr. Bohol. And next, our first runner-up is also from the Visayas, representing the city of Tacloban. Ladies and gentlemen, second runner-up for pre-arrival favorite, Rick Christopher Valencia. Janner, so please a room and spot our co-presenter to award our trophy. Congratulations, Mr. Tacloban City. And now the candidate voted by most pageant fans around the world, the grand winner of pre-arrival voting. Ladies and gentlemen, from Team Overseas, our grand winner from the Filipino community of Germany, Siegfried Bauer. Call on the other winners to join the grand winner. Our runner-up, please have a join for group shot. Congratulations to our pre-arrival favorites from Events 2 Images.
Thank you, ASCII, and congratulations, gentlemen. Give them a big, big round of applause once more.